Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can prevent any website to use to access your location on Chrome. In order to do that, just click three dots at the top corner of your screen and then click settings. Click privacy and security. Under it you can see there's a site settings. You can control what information sites can use and show, like a location, camera, pop-ups and more. And here under permissions there is a location. Sites can ask for your location. Click it. So sites usually use your location for relevant features or info like local news or nearby shops. So by default, this default behavior, sites automatically follow the setting when you visit them. So collapse unwanted requests, this is recommended by Chrome. But if you don't want allow sites to see your location, just click this option. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.